Imagine being born an eagle, but you were sold on the idea and the concept of chicken. Are you living your full potential? Do you have the eagle mentality or the chicken mentality? Why human beings do not feel their full potential, why some live as eagles and why some live as chickens. Welcome to another life lesson session with Kimberly. Hope you're doing good. How has life been treating you? Hope all is well with you and your family. So today I'm going to be talking about how the eagle versus chicken. Come along with me. Imagine being born an eagle, but you were sold on the idea and the concept of chicken. Are you living your full potential? Do you have the eagle mentality or the chicken mentality? I'll tell you the difference. Eagle's mentality creates solutions for problems, while chickens give excuses for why things will remain the same then and can't change. Eagles take action to implement their ideas and put them to use for greater good, while chickens emotionally are needy. They're emotionally needy, unhappy, and forever complaining about something and anything and everything. So today I'm asking you, are you an eagle or a chicken? Do you have the eagle's mentality or the chicken's mentality? You can't soar like an eagle when you hang out with chickens. You cannot eat your cake and still have it. You have to choose one. You're either an eagle or you're a chicken. You can't be a chick-eagle. That does not even exist. I know on the surface you'd rather be an eagle than be a chicken. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever encountered a person with enormous potential to produce greatness? There are many people like that, right? Good. As a student of life lessons, I encountered this frequently. Some people have eagle potential but a chicken mindset. They are well equipped to reach maximum levels of success, but they have determined within themselves to stay in a safe place of comfort. It's like they are playing a game of hide and seek. Greatness keeps looking for them, but they hide. They hide behind fake pretentious business. Oh, I'll be out of town, or I don't have enough time, or next time I will, or only if I had. Are you familiar with those phrases? Their mentality keeps them in the chicken coop. A mentality of excuses, to remain scratching in the dirt, to remain in mediocrity. What a life. Is that even life? You and I know that that's not the best life that you can live. The eagle mentality soars high, going beyond the call of duty. It does not believe in impossibilities. It defies all reasons and logic, taking bold risks without the fear of failure. The eagle realizes to begin is to dive. I'll say that again. The eagle realizes to begin is to dive. You need to take that plunge. You need to take that jump. All it has to do is to open its wings and it will fly, eliminating all barriers to success and willing to go through any test. The eagle refuses to remain on the ground because it sets its aim among the clouds. Each and every day, the eagle intentionally says, I will be amongst the clouds. This is gotten from speaking above mediocrity. You cannot continue to live as a mediocre and expect eagle results. It will not happen. That's been our discussion today on the eagle mindset versus the chicken mindset. Eagle versus chicken. Are you an eagle or are you a chicken? Choose to be an eagle today because that's what you were made to do. Queen Billion, signing out. See you next time.